Okay, seats are done. Now, while I'm here, let's go and fix this light here. I hope I still know how to do it. Now I'm gonna look like a minion, because the last time I took it off to do the lining was a long time ago. Long time ago. We'll be fine. Let's go. The way this light retainer works is there's two clips right there, and then you have two pins right there. So those two pins clip onto these two holes. So first you slide the wiring. Be easy if I had two hands, which I do, but I'm not using them. And then that pin right there connect to this hole with this connector, and that connector goes with that pin, just like that. Which I'm really sorry for not showing you what I'm doing, but there is one and there's the other one. There we go. Perfect. And that's pretty much done. The only thing is, because it's a brand new roof, it's less movement, so I need to do something up the back. The material is thicker than the original roof lining that came with the car. Therefore, there's less space for the light retainer to slide in. I don't know if you can see, but right there, you see? So the head lining, it's not going all the way. So literally, all I'm gonna do is gently pry this whilst I push this up, just so this stays the same way as this one, nice and tight. So let me go and do it with both hands. We got it. Woo! Hell yeah, we got it. Okay, now I'm gonna look like a minion, but I need it because it's very dark. First, let me connect that. Let's connect the power. There we go, power is on. And now I want it to be this way. Yep, it's gonna be this way. Okay, that's the first one. And the second one. Nope, something's not right. Let's try the other way around. Yeah. I have a good feeling about this. Go, that's one. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. We won't know until we know it. Huh, how about that? No comment. No comment. Simple, easy, done. Just like that. Ay, 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 ay. Anyway, it is what it is. Done. And there you have it. Nice and installed. Beautiful. That's done. Next one, that one. This one I installed it previously. I still have to install the other one. I did not record this one, but I will record this one. But prior to that, I just need to prep this. This one is getting prepped. And also, I need to prep that. And this one here. So, I'll see you soon.